Nicole, our story has only just begun. I look forward to the upcoming chapters. I cannot wait to start a family of our own. You will be an amazing mother. Thank you for choosing me to be your husband. I can't wait to see how gorgeous you look today. I love you so much. Love always, Bryan.
Oh, I'm too tired to think about it.
So this is everything I have to tell you about love. It's a dance that cannot be taught. It's a song that did not exist before you began together to sing. And because in the darkness you will reach out a hand, not knowing for certain if someone else is even there, and your hands will meet, and then neither of you will ever need to be alone again.
We're seeing shadows on the water. Oh, yeah, so honest. We're seeing shadows on the water. But we made our promise to let the rest of our lives decide.
Nicole, I promise to you that I will dedicate my life from this day forward to filling our days with beauty and laughter. I will work to inspire you and be here to remind you of your beauty and strength. I take you today as my partner, my confidant, my other half, and I will love you for the rest of my life.
Bryan, I give you this ring to remind you of this day when in front of our family and friends, we vow that our love can overcome all things, that our love unites, inspires, and celebrates, and we will do so for the rest of our lives.
Bryan and Nicole, it is with such joy that I now send you into the world to spread the beautiful light that you share with all those around you. I now pronounce you husband and wife. Bryan, you may kiss your bride. It is my privilege to present to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Bryan and Nicole Smith.
Seeing shadows on the water. Oh, yeah, so honest. Seeing shadows on the water. But we made our promise to let the rest of our lives decide. We're seeing shadows on the wall.